But it is no more like that for them. So I want to appeal to everyone in the world to remember that there are innocent citizens of the world that are here. They need food.
There are 2,730,000 internally displaced persons in Nigeria. That's according to Internal Displacement Monitoring Center. The job that needs to be done on these Nigerians who have become IDPs by virtue of violence and conflict within their states of origin is enormous. From the International Christian Center Home for the Needy, Osaze Obaze Channels Television News.
Now, hear this one.
Again, 5 lives have been lost following a militia attack in Kogo community, Mango local government area of Plateau State. More than 300 people, including women and children, are believed to have been killed by suspected Fulani militias across 40 villages in Mango Council area from May this year till date.
From May this year, May no be last 2 months till date. This news was from yesterday. From May till now, 300 persons has been murdered, has been killed. This one na Plateau State. 300 persons from May till date.
Just one tribe can area. You know, this Nigerian politicians akora hamanisi. Ana sị na mmadụ na-anwụ adịghị busy na-echeti Simon Ekpa. Or Simon Ekpa na-egbusisi ndị a na-egbu na Benue State. I don't really understand. You know, these people had to reach a retro wage just to get a political position. Only ndị ya had a political position. This phone and ha married people. How many certificates can have? You have more degree, more certificate than somebody in a yok onye gị power. In Rodi, Owere ma were egbe, ne penetrate villages, ne busisi, a kitty, a group of people, intellectual people, rise up for self-determination to defend the land, and you are saying no, that the people should rely on the national security. T.Y. Denjuma, a retired brigadier general, said that the army, they are from his own colleagues, are colluding. They are colluding with the criminal, the terrorists. Still, you deafen your ear. You don't want to hear whether it's true or not. What is important for you is to appear in Abuja to dance the dance of the Janjaweed, so that he can get. Now tell me how much can you find your back to come and fight this, to fight his brothers that trying to defend the land? How much can you? Or you more richer? Okay, let's say na Fulani agedere papa ni lahu, you know, they terrorize the villages, now wipe people, make the route to his own. Ebuo one relative, that they can no or papa said that na no name go terrorism. Who caused it? But you were there live. Since I name you compromise. You banking. Now, then I diesel out of hand, and is when you will not come out to talk. They are even talking not because they want to take action, but they just want to talk for the talking sake. They just want to talk for the talking sake. They are not talking only to protect the people, but they want to talk to feel a little bit relevant in the community. Whereas they are not in charge for anything. They have compromised. They know the people that are doing this thing. Was it not Iyanyanwu last year when he was making comments, said that the people doing this thing, that they are known, they are not hiding. That was when the prime minister gave him a book of record, or I don't know what they call it. You know, for Iyanyanwu to come out to say that kind of thing, that means that he has exonerated himself from the corrupt Eastern political class. But they know that. Why do you want to use people's life to compromise in order to get your political interest? One day, we cannot take this lightly again. Southeast can never be like a north. where they sack villages and before you know it, if they continue to make this progress now to sack villages in the southeast, they will go to another level of renaming maybe villages, calling it one jihadist name like that. Before you know it, any village they capture, the next thing is to plant emir there, or to plant Gumi, somebody who will be Islamic scholar. They will plant him there. Before you know it, that place will start advancing in Islamic movement, and people become in fear, start living with terror. This nonsense must stop. This nonsense must stop. I'm telling you, this nonsense must stop. I can't believe that we have IDP camp in this in Enugu.
But you have to believe it now.
Yes, I believe it now. Now I believe
it now. I go the flash and make people they see and make people they believe it. Make we firstly join our brothers with the Twitter so that we will continue the watch from there.
All right.
They want to have a meeting with her in order to give them a full information. The reason of Nigerian government holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today is, number one, is ESN. Would it be that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu didn't form that arms group? They would have let him to go. But they know that ESN is our backbone. With ESM and other arms group now, there is nothing they can know.